Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete a profile on Microsoft Edge. If you want to do this, basically Microsoft Edge is a product of Microsoft, right? And if you use a Microsoft Edge here, right on the top left side corner, you will see this profile icon here. Right now here you will see other profiles. So here you can set up new profile, right? So let's say I will set up a new profile. To do this, I have to enter my account information, such as I have to access through my account email address and everything. And this is my second profile, right? I've created it, so I will just go and click on start without your data, and here confirm and start browsing. So this is my second thing, right? So I just set up a new profile in front of you guys. I will try to delete it out. Now here, as you can see here, other profiles here, and you will see this is my personal and everything, right? And here you will see the settings here on the, okay, I think you didn't saw, so let me just go back. Now once you click on the top left side corner, you will see the settings gear icon. Click on it. Now here, if you scroll down, you will see this is profile 2. You can select your profile 2. You will get this option to delete icon from here as well as from here, right? So this is for the my main account, and this is my the second account which I want to delete. So this is my extra account. I will click on remove profile and it has been removed. Now you can see here there's no other profiles other than my personal one. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.